every dealer's gonna have their Memorial Day sale, which is what? Prices on a banner? But ours is another level. Not only are we lowering our prices, we're gonna throw an entire event around the party celebrating you. Saturday, May 16th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., Fury Motorsports here in Castle Rock is the place to be because we're having our Suzuki dealer launch. We've had Suzukis for a little while, but you know, it was the middle of riding season last year, so now that we're getting into the springtime, although we've had the nice weather for a while, we're getting into the point where we want to introduce these things officially. So we've got some special edition models like these 40th anniversaries that are sitting in front of me. We're excited about all the vendors that we have commitments for already, not just on the food truck side. We've got Shift Happens joining us, so a great MSF course, motorcycle riding school. So if you're new to motorcycles, they're the ones to hook up with to learn how to be the most safe on these things. Roadrunner Financial and Octane will be joining us. So we'll have reps on site that can get you pre-qualified fast. So if you're interested in a bike or you're interested in knowing what you can afford, they can do a soft pull on you and figure out exactly what your monthly price would be on any unit on our showroom. When you get here, we'll have a registration table set up, so make sure you check in with us because we're handing out raffle tickets. But here's some insider information. If you scan the QR code and go to our Eventbrite page and get your RSVP, if you show that ticket when you come here, that's worth extra raffle tickets as well. Raffle tickets are gonna be good for a whole bunch of things throughout the day, whether it's Fury Cash or whether it's tickets to local events such as the Pioneer Rodeo. There's gonna be a ton of fun giveaways. You won't want to miss out on. So either ride down, come see us, come hang out, bring the kids, bring the family. This is going to be an event you won't want to miss.